All right, let's jump into dimensional analysis. And this time we are going from gallons to cups. And so I have the reference sheet up that we want to use. You always want to have, your handy reference sheet when you're doing dimensional analysis. This one's in the dashboard under foundations of algebra if you're in the membership. So it's pretty easy to find. And then we want to go from gallons to cups. So I know that we're going to kind of use these ideas over here, right? And so remember how this works. You're always going to start with the number that you're given. So 2.33, and you always want to add the word to it, gallons. You always multiply by a fraction, and you always want the gallons or whatever the word is there to cancel out. So let's see if we can figure out how to do that. Now, one thing I'll say is I keep saying always, and you won't hear me say that very often because always and never don't happen too often, but in this case, this is always how you do it. So I see one gallon is 4 quarts, so I can do that. 1 gallon is 4 quarts, and that way the gallons can cancel. But quarts is not cups, so we have to multiply again and get rid of quarts. Well, 1 quart is 2 pints. 1 quart, 2 pints. That gets rid of quarts, but pints are still not cups. So I'm going to use this 1 pint equals 2 cups idea. And I'm going to move this out of the way. So now I want to get rid of pints. 1 pint is 2 cups. Okay. Pints cancels. Now, notice that all the words are gone except for cups, and that's what I'm trying to do. So that's how I know, okay, I've done enough converting. I'm ready to just figure out the numbers. So 2.33 times 4 times 2 times 2. That's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply across the top. So 2.33 times 4 times 2 times 2 is 37.28. And on the bottom, we just have 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. Well, we know anything divided by 1 is 1, so it doesn't change it. Or anything divided by 1 is itself, excuse me. And this is cups. So 2 1/3 gallons, 2.33 gallons is 37 and about 1/3 cups. That's a lot of cups in less than 2.5 gallons. All right. Always good to think through, does your answer make sense? Question that at the end. Make sure it's logical and reasonable. And I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.